What to buy when there's blood on the streets. What's going on? Randy here with another crypto video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell notification. Alright, so we just had a massive crash, one for the record books, something we haven't seen since March of 2020 when COVID-19 was declared a world pandemic and the market went into a free fall. We had very similar happenings today, but this time there's no black swan event to speak of, just a bunch of FUD in the market, maybe some whale manipulation on top of that as well. So the day started out on the red hot heels of bearish news coming out of China. A group of Chinese payments and finance associations doubled down on the central bank's 2017 ban on financial institutions engaging in crypto transactions and warned investors against speculative crypto trading. And I think people are seeing this the wrong way. They're thinking that cryptocurrencies are banned in China, and that's just not the case. If you see right here, it says 2017 ban on financial institutions engaging in crypto transactions. These are old regulations that are just being reiterated to the population in China, letting them know that there's not going to be something like PayPal is not going to be offering cryptocurrencies, or a WeChat app is not going to be offering cryptocurrencies. They're not saying they're outright banning crypto. You can also not take part in ICOs in China, and the same goes for US citizens as well, but of course there's ways around that. I have a friend in China that takes part in all the ICOs he wants because there's ways around it, and he says it's business as usual there. He recommended to buy the dip and buy more Bitcoin. This is a person that has made millions in the market and holds hundreds of Bitcoin and hundreds of Ethereum. And of course, this news followed a week-long bearish price action that was prompted by Tesla CEO Elon Musk's decision to pull Bitcoin as a payment option for the EV firm's products, citing environmental concerns. In my opinion, I think Elon Musk is trying to save face at this point. He wasn't going to sell any Teslas for Bitcoin. Who in their right mind would buy any vehicle with Bitcoin? Yeah, if you want to cash out your Bitcoin and buy a car, but why would you physically want to give your Bitcoin for a depreciating asset like a vehicle? And I think he was just trying to save face a little bit because he was getting pressure about the environmental concerns of Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining, that why not just do away with it altogether, not realizing that there were going to be bigger repercussions. And also the reason why I think this is true is because why would Tesla still hold all their Bitcoin? Unless they had intentions of getting rid of it all along. He claims that he's not, but I guess time will tell. All right, taking a look at CoinGecko. Right now, Bitcoin's sitting at $39,000. It's up over the past hour. It's kind of been wavering back and forth since we finally hit that bottom of about $30,000 earlier today, and it's been going up and down over the past few hours, back and forth, getting up to 40, getting rejected back down to about 38. Same with Ethereum. We're starting to see cryptos turning green over this 1 hour time frame, and it's good when you can see stablecoins like Tether turning red. That means that money is being taken out of the stablecoins and being dispersed into maybe some other altcoins. The Tether market cap is still pretty massive though, at $59 billion. Although there's a little movement, there's still not a lot. When it starts getting passed by BNB and XRP, then you know that more of that money is getting deployed into other coins. But should you be buying right now? That's up to you as far as how much risk you can take. This is a market you still want to be cautious in. I don't think that we're hitting a bear market. I still feel that we're in a bull cycle that's going to continue on. Once the Bitcoin price recovers, the altcoins will follow. But what's pretty cool about a situation like this, you have to look at the brighter side. You know the potential of all these coins, and because we retraced, you're almost looking into the future now. Ethereum was $4,000 just a week ago, or a week or two ago. It's at $2,600 right now. 4 days ago, Cardano was at $245. You can get it for $162 right now. Okay, if I were putting money into this market, it would be in these higher cap coins that maybe were an afterthought a week ago because they were so high. Now they've scaled back some. These are the ones that are going to pump soonest, and they're going to pump first. Take your profits from these bigger coins and then spread them out over the more speculative alts when the market starts to recover. Take a look at Polkadot. It's down 45% in 5 days. It was almost $50 just 5 days ago, and you can get one dot for $27.54. That's insane. Once things start to get going again, it's going to be these high cap alts that are going to recover first, and you're going to make profits. Now, Solana was actually one of the best performing high cap alts over the past week. When everything was dipping, Solana actually was keeping pace and was actually providing gains. Just one day ago, Solana hit an all-time high of $58. Right now, it's on sale for $39. That's about a 34% sale. All right, Theta's down 60% over a 1 month period of time. You can get Theta now for $6.49. It was $15.72 on April 16th. And don't forget that Theta is about to have a mainnet launch in a little over a month. And now's the time to accumulate Theta. I've said all along, anytime you can get Theta under $10 is a steal. Now it's under $7. Incredible. These are like instant gains here, as long as this bull market does continue on the pace that we expect it to. And things like mainnet launches and are still going to make you some money. Right now, Theta $6.50 is an absolute steal. Don't forget that this market is still fragile at the moment, could go down further. Know that if you buy an alt now for a certain price, that it could go down, another 10-20%. Polygon, another huge performer over the past week or so. When the market was down, Polygon was still performing. You can get Matic now for $1.84. That's a 32% decrease just from one day ago when it was at an all-time high of $2.62. Now here's a quick article from CoinDesk. ARK Investments Cathie Wood says Bitcoin will go to $500,000. In an interview with Bloomberg TV, Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Investment, huge Bitcoin bull, she says that Bitcoin will go to $500,000 despite the largest cryptocurrency plunging to a low of almost $30,000 on Wednesday. One of the cases she makes for Bitcoin ultimately hitting that $500,000 mark is a Bitcoin ETF in the US being approved. She says that the chances of this happening has increased because of the recent plunge in price. The odds are going up now that we have had that correction. And also remember that there's a lot of news still coming in the future. You have Ethereum 2.0, you have Polkadot parachains coming up, you have all this bullish news that's still right around the corner, and that should start to turn things around in the near future. Now that's some extremely bullish news coming from Cathie Wood. $500,000, it's hard to believe after hitting a near low of $30,000 that it will bounce back and hit that 500K mark. Let me know down in the comments, are you picking up any crypto now, or are you waiting to see what happens? Or are you just done? Are you shaken out and you want nothing more to do with cryptocurrencies? Let me know down below. I'm curious to hear what you guys are doing. Alright, if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.